Check. My husband, when I'm married, my father, out of affection, he kisses on my forehead when he meets me. Now, my husband doesn't want this to happen. So, what should I do? Jazakallah.
Wajazakum. Your husband is crazy, and you must not succumb to his sick demands. So many women, unfortunately, allow their husbands to enslave them, to force them to do things that are un-Islamic. And they end up building up pressure and hatred and resentment. 3-4 years down the line, they explode. It is too late. You have a kid or two. You have to draw the line. Such sick demands, not allowing you to breathe, not allowing you to go to normal places or to see normal places or to be visited by normal people. This has to stop. Whether you act crazy and say to your husband, I'm done, I'm through, because life cannot go on. Marriage is based on communication skills, on respect, on compassion, on love, not on slavery. A father kissing his daughter on the forehead is from the Sunnah. In the authentic hadith, Mother Aisha reports that whenever Fatima came, her way of walking was identical to her father's. So whenever she came into the room, her father stood up, came to her and kissed her in between the eyes and made her sit on his place or next to him. And whenever he came, she stood up, did the same to him. So if your wacko husband says your father should not do this, don't obey him. Muhammad from Algeria. Muhammad.
Hello.
Yes, yeah, Muhammad.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam.
Sheikh, I have braces for almost 2 years with around 3 months of treatment and little left to pay. Doctor is male and his helper is female, but both are Muslim. When I enter, I knock and wait for permission. When I leave, I shut the door, leaving them in khalwa, and I believe there's no cameras inside. I think he'd consider it super rude if I leave it open and will ask me to close it and stopping treatment early.
Why would you be in khalwa if the doctor is male and the assistant is a female?
No, when I leave, I close the door, leaving them alone.
That's their business, not yours.
Can I close it?
You can close it and lock it if you wish and put whatever you... It's none of your business. This is their life. This is their business. This is their daily routine. You're not responsible for it. By closing the door, you're not the one who's causing them to fall in love and do hanky-panky stuff. Don't go too extreme.